Iridology, we look at the textures and in the fabric of the iris, okay? So what we're looking at here is how we're seeing these daisy-like petals in the iris. Now, this is showing that there's the genetic predisposition for having little bit of a connective tissue weakness, as well as the glandular system in your body has the tendency to be out of balance. What we're also seeing is how tight the fibers are here in comparison to how you can see that they're a little bit more like gauze here versus fine silk here. Mm-hmm. So what that indicates in the world of iridology is that you inherited a genetic predisposition to having weakness in the lower area of your body, which includes the pelvis and the kidney region, as well as your spine. So what we're going to do is support your system nutritionally to build the connective tissue, because obviously this is what you inherited genetically speaking. Right. And now we're understanding that you have developed symptoms, which is typical after the age of 45 when we have genetics. Yeah. So that's the primary part of that.
What's the pus on the eye and the veins again?
This is called a pinguecula. This is actually what is considered a fat deposit in the cornea. It's not an iris sign, it's a corneal sign. Mm-hmm. That shows that the liver has had a difficulty processing lipids, and so they've been deposited into the corneal. Okay. The veins are showing levels of inflammation and irritation, aka the pain that you've been into, and then different levels of stress. So we can look here and see this is actually in the kidney area, this larger vein on this side. And then you can look here, you can also see we're having the picture's a little blurry, but there's another bit of the pinguecula here.
On the right eye.
On the right eye, which is more associated to the liver specifically.
And that's where the pain is.
Right. And so this here is in the brain area, more so. And this is thyroid typically on this vein here. Okay. So what I'm seeing is that there's just a lot of pain and inflammation. There's the reduction